Welcome to my channel where I explore the world of AI and its applications. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, one of the most advanced language models developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a large language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like responses to prompts. It's been trained on a massive amount of text data, and it's able to understand and respond to a wide range of topics and questions. Let's give it a try. I am going to ask ChatGPT a few questions and we'll see how it responds. As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand to the prompt a very human-like way. It's even able to understand and respond to follow-up questions. For example, if I ask, what is the capital of France? Here we go. Okay, it will respond. If I ask, what are some famous landmarks, okay, in Paris? Some of famous landmarks in Paris include Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, the Arc, and etc. Perfectly. But ChatGPT is not just limited to simple question and answer. It can also generate creative writing such as short stories, articles, and even scripts. Here's an example of short stories. Write a short story for a child who doesn't want to sleep. And here we go. It started. As you can see, ChatGPT is able to create coherent and engaging stories with a clear plot and well-developed characters. It can even generate a script for a short film. For example, let's wait. Let's create new chat and started to write a short script about a robot who gains Okay, let's wait. It will generate a script with a coherent plot and characters. That's perfect. ChatGPT can also be used for other applications such as language translation, text summarization, and even chatbot development. It's a powerful tool, can help business automate certain tasks and improve customer engagement. For example, it can be used to generate automated response for a chatbot or summarize a long article into a shortened version. For example, we can write, extend or short this text. If we write extend this text to Word, it will be start. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to advance it in the field of AI, it's important to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. We need to ensure that they are being used for the betterment of society and not to the detriment of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and its applications. See you later, guys.